Hello traders, this is Subhan from 200forexpips.com. So guys, we are going to do another scalping on gold. Right now I have triggered one of the trade on gold, that is sell with the one lot size, and currently it's into the loss. So basically I triggered the trade bit early. So overall the market has reached to the top yellow line and I would like to take the one more sell position, but I just want to see that either this candle starts to go down or otherwise it is going to retest this yellow line. So I will take another position, and this time I will use the lot size, that will be 2. Okay, now I am going to take a sell position once this candle should pump down. Otherwise I will wait for the market that either it is going to take a U-turn or not. So I'm just waiting. If it pumps a little bit down, then I will go for the sell position. Okay guys, it's pumping down. I have taken a sell position. Now guys, this is the double scalping method that I have already identified you. I have already explained this method in my previous videos, that if your one trade goes a little bit negative, then you can also use the double scalping method. Just double the lot size of that trade and you will see the effects. Okay, now guys, the question arises that why I have taken a sell position. First of all, it has tested the top yellow line, and the second thing that I want to talk about here, that if you look at the trend on the 15 minutes, you can see it's completely downward trend. So basically I'm trading with the trend, I'm not going against the trend on the 15 minute. So this indicator work very perfect on the 1 minute and 15 minutes. So first of all, identify the trend, that what it is like. It is already telling you that I am going down, and then you have to apply the same strategy onto the 1 minute chart. Okay guys, now we have placed a sell order, and you can see that our total trades are 225 minus. So don't worry about this, because we will expect the downward trend as well. So you will see the drop, because if we talk about the market, then good thing is this, that the previous trend on the 1 minute is completely upward trend, and then the market tested the yellow line, and just after testing this yellow line, the market starts to take the decision that I want to go down. That's why I have also double scalped it. Now you just have to see the profits that it will come into our way, and you can see that the market touched the overbought levels of the market, and I'm going to delete these trend lines so that you can also watch the momentum of the market. Now guys, you can see that we are only 72 minus, so we have done double scalping. So overall, on the 15-minute picture, you will see the market is also near to the green line, so it will pump more down. So basically we are selling at a higher price on the 15 minutes, so I'm not worried about that trade. So it will get a even more downward pressure. Now you can see we are only 24 minus. We will wait for the market to get into more profitability. And one thing guys, I'm making this video at the slower time. Basically this is not a good time to trade, because it's going to be 12:40 a.m. by my time. That's very late, and the market gets slow during that time. So here you need to rely on the smaller profits. Do not expect very high profits during that time, because when you are trading with the day during the day, then you will see a good volatility into the market, and that should fill your MT4 terminal with profits. And this strategy is working very fine on 1 minute and 15 minutes. So that's very simple. Find the trend on 15 minutes, like it's dragging down. So you can do this by simply making a trend line like this. So it's going down. So once you have identified the trend on the 15 minute, then you will wait for the market to come near to the yellow line, and then you will see that if it takes the U-turn, and if where it starts the rejection, then you can sell this. You can take on sell position on gold. That's what I did right now. Okay, and you will see that the market will go more down, because on the 15 minute, if we talk about here, then we are selling at the higher price, and we can expect the market to be down, because if we talk about the previous price, that the market is up on the 15 minute, and then overall it's basically, when we talk about the complete trend is down. Okay, coming back to 1 minute, and you can see our trades are already in profit, giving us $27. We do not want to take our profit right now. Overall, this trading system indicates you that you need to take your profits onto the green line here, but guys, I will wait a little bit more, because I am expecting a more downward trend based on the 15 minute. You can see that on 15 minutes it touched the green line. Okay, so coming back to the 1 minute, you can see the volatility is coming, the market is going down, we are getting 66, but I don't want to close my trades. I will close my trades once they will be giving me a decent profit. Okay, so right now you will see that the market will go down into further direction, because I have identified this thing that on the 15 minutes it's completely bearish, and that's why I have placed my trade. Okay, so overall this is a slow time, I agree to this, and you can see we are getting something 59.69 here and 81. Look at this, the profits are coming into our way, and we will wait more. 84 and then 81.75. don't worry about this. So sometimes this green line also work as the like support, but overall what I have told you that I have seen the trend on 15 minute that it's going down, so that's why I'm still active into the trade. Now guys, it's giving me 93, so I will plan something above 100 and then I will close it. Now 120, you can see 117. Now you should put your cursor here 117, and I will plan to close somewhere here 132, 126, and then 114, 105, so a little bit more, 108. so above 100 I will definitely close, so let's close it. Okay, so we are done guys. So this is very simple guys. I have told you a very simple story about this indicator, that this indicator is working pretty fine on 1 minute and 15 minute. We have shared many screenshots in our WhatsApp group. The guys who are using these indicators, they have also shared the screenshots. I update my WhatsApp group daily. If you haven't joined the WhatsApp group, you can join it from the description of this video below. And guys, those subscribers who want to get this trading system, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or they can also contact me directly on WhatsApp, where I am mostly active. So I have told you about the story from the overbought levels to the middle green line. That's your mostly take profit, and you can find multiple trading opportunities during the day like this. And guys, one thing, if the market breaks the yellow line, and if it takes the U-turn from the top, and then if it breaks from the top, then you will have to take your sell position. So I have taken a sell position because here the market was almost near to the peak at the 15 minute. That's why I have taken a sell position. So it's a very simple trading strategy, and hopefully you must have liked this, and you can see the market is still pumping below the green line. So guys, if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. And those subscribers who want to get this, they can contact me on email, and my contact number in the WhatsApp in the description of this video below, and you can find it from the description. So please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.